My name is Fitim, Kurti. I'm coming from Croatia. I'm working on University North in Croatia on logistics department. Department is called Sustainable Mobility and Logistics. I'm lecturer on some department subjects like urban logistics and logistics system planning. Now time it's only teaching based. We have also one subject where I'm assistant and this is logistics simulation and traffic simulation subjects. And for logistics simulation we are using FlexSim in this subject, so I teach my students how to use FlexSim basic 3D simulation projects. Not yet, because we invade this subject last year. It's for first time, and it is in fourth year of university, so they are not familiar with FlexSim still, and there is no time enough because they have only 20 hours for teaching FlexSim simulation. But we are now negotiating with university to put it in some year, first or second or third year, so to prepare them when they come in fourth and fifth year to use this software for research, for development, and for other subjects like urban logistics and sustainable logistics and logistic planning. I was, when our university was buying these edu licenses, then the guys from InterMarium came to our university and they made training for us for first and second level. So for the first level it was very easy, but after it was harder, but it was very good idea, very good guys and good atmosphere, and we have good time for learning, so it was nice for remember this. I'm InterMarium partner in Croatia. When I was first time in contact with FlexSim through Professor Tomasz Belec from University in Ljubljana. So I participated in one conference there, and there I met Christian and Witold, and so we make agreement, and I'm in my company. I took this agreement with InterMarium to be their representative for Croatia. So we have also this one, and so as I'm a member of university, I took this simulation software, like simulation software, into university. So it is business and it is education in the same time. Conference is excellent. I was in plenty of conference until now, and it fulfilled all my expectations. It is over my expectations at all. There is plenty of people that are using this software. We can talk about this software. We can talk about issues and ideas and the ways they could use this software, the ways how to approach to customers, how to approach to students, and it's very good idea. It's very interactive, and so I'm very happy that I'm here now.